Welcome to the Electric Wheelchairs USA Mobility Experts channel. The next two videos are dedicated to AFIKIM's luxurious series, the AFI S.
The AFI S is an award-winning heavy-duty mobility scooter that won the Red Dot Design Award for its innovative technology.
With a high market demand for durable outdoor scooters that can be safe and comfortable, AFIKIM presents the S Series.
Both the 3- and 4-wheel models have a variable speed of a little over 9 miles per hour, a long battery range of up to 31 miles, and a driver weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. When it comes to comfort, the AFI S has a luxurious orthopedic rotatable captain seat, pneumatic tires, and shock absorbers to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride.
When it comes to safety, the ergonomic modern Delta tiller has a great sense of control, a strong grip, horn, and digital display.
Rear view mirrors and a powerful LED lighting system with front and rear lights, hazards, brake lights, and turn signals all come standard with this model.
Both S models are equipped with 2 lockable storage compartments, one in the front and a larger one in the back that's big enough to carry your groceries and personal belongings that you will need throughout your day. So if you're looking for a durable outdoor heavy-duty scooter, the AFI S is the scooter for you. In this video, we mainly focused on the standard models of the S3 and the S4. Check the link below for a review of the S Series optional configurations such as a canopy and dual seat.
Both S3 and S4 models come with a long 2-year labor warranty.
AFIKIM is the only manufacturer of this kind of warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their products for over 40 years. This scooter and many others are available for you to view or purchase at electricwheelchairsusa.com.
If you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. We are open 7 days a week, and our experts will make sure you get the mobility product that's right for you.